Non-conforming items are isolated while approved cabinets are released to protect downstream assembly. With approval complete, controlled conveyor movement begins the standard production rhythm. Injected foam bonds the structure and enhance long-term thermal performance. A controlled buffer allows foam to fully stabilize before further assembly.
Tubing is routed carefully to prevent vibration, wear, or flow restriction. Brazed joints create a sealed refrigerant path critical to system reliability. Leak testing confirms the sealed system integrity before charging. Exact refrigerant charge ensures designed cooling performance and efficiency. Visual torque marking confirms all critical joints are secured. Wiring is routed cleanly to prevent abrasion and ensure long-term electrical safety. Basic electrical checks confirm safe wiring before powering the unit. Properly seated gaskets ensure airtight sealing and energy efficiency.
Door fit is verified to prevent air leaks and customer complaints.
Heat rejection components are added to ensure efficient cooling.
Drain relief protects wiring from vibration and service stress. Electrical safety tests confirm insulation integrity before live operation.
Initial power on confirms the unit starts safely and electronics respond correctly. Short run-in stabilizes components and reveals early life failures.
Noise and vibration checks ensure premium user experience standards.
Functional QC approval. Recorded test data confirms the unit meets performance specifications.
Corrected units are retested to confirm full compliance.
Mandatory labels provide compliance and consumer information. Wrapping shields surfaces from moisture and scratches in transit.
Branded cartons provide structural protection and product identification.
Sealing and labeling secure the unit and maintain traceability through logistics.
Finished goods are staged for palletizing and outbound handling.
Automated palletizing ensures stable loads and consistent stacking.
Wrapped pallets are protected against movement and moisture during transport. Pallet labels link finished goods to orders and destinations.
Finished refrigerators are stored under controlled conditions, awaiting shipment. Production scrap metal is segregated and prepared for recycling. Plastic byproducts are separated to enable responsible recycling.
Prepared recyclables are staged for compliant off-site processing.
Residual waste is isolated and managed under environmental regulations.
Warehouse teams pick pallets according to confirmed shipping schedules.
Finished goods are loaded carefully to prevent transport damage. Security seals protect product integrity during transit. Dispatched shipments leave the facility as production continues in parallel. Housekeeping prepares equipment and WIP carriers for the next production cycle.
A coordinated process delivers premium refrigerators with consistent quality and traceability. Production data is reviewed to drive corrective actions and continuous improvement.
Controlled tool storage preserves calibration status and availability.
Reusable materials are recovered to reduce waste and cost.
Main priority is stabilizing line 3. We had 2 stoppages this hour.
What's causing the bottleneck on the throughput graph? It looks like the raw material feed rate dropped significantly here.
Critical spare parts are managed to support fast maintenance and minimal downtime.
Environmental conditions are monitored to protect product quality and worker safety.
Ensure the torque is correct for standardized quality. Use the gauge here. Yes, the gap is within tolerance now.
This spike here indicates the bottleneck.
Right, if we implement the new sequence, we should see the cycle time drop immediately.
Look, the line is balanced.
Scheduled maintenance reduces failure risk and protects product consistency.
Energy usage is tracked to improve efficiency and reduce operational cost.
Production continues smoothly after routine checks. A disciplined layout supports quality, safety, and efficiency. Random finished goods are held briefly for audit sampling.
Cleared units are returned to saleable inventory.
Forward planning aligns production output with transport capacity.
Coordinated dock operations keep outbound flow smooth. FIFO handling ensures older production lots ship first.
Inspection complete. Go ahead and move it.
Controlled loading protects the product during transfer to transport. Production and test data are consolidated for traceability and compliance.
The Q3 pass rates are lower than expected, specifically this metric here. We need to address the root cause of the decline.
Field feedback is analyzed to identify improvement opportunities.
Clear communication keeps operators aligned with the latest standards.
Complete traceability enables fast response to quality or regulatory inquiries. Disciplined operations sustain consistent output and quality.
Hold it right there. A little more to the left. How's that? Perfect alignment. Drop it right there. Hey team, excellent work today. We exceeded our production goal by 2%, and most importantly, we kept the green sticker for 0 incidents. Great job, everyone.
Non-essential systems are powered down to save energy.
Facility concludes a full production cycle under controlled operations.
Downstream operations restart in sync with assembly output. Final labels ensure traceability through outbound logistics. Cartons are grouped to maintain stability and handling efficiency.
Consistent stacking protects products and simplifies transport. Wrapped pallets resist shifting during warehouse handling. Completed pallets are staged for scheduled outbound loading.
Controlled movement ensures safe and damage-free handling.
Bring it back another foot.
Okay, that's good. Lock it down.
Administrative closure finalizes the shipment record.
Shipments depart as the factory prepares for the next production cycle. Reusable logistics materials are returned to circulation to reduce waste.
Waste and recycling data are recorded to meet regulatory requirements.
Archived records support long-term traceability and audits.
A last walkthrough confirms readiness for the next cycle.
The factory stands ready for the next production order.